I am attempting to make my own coffee blend at the official Tim Hortons roastery and have it taste tested by a professional coffee taster and see if he doesn't quit his job immediately. I also got to see behind the scenes of the wild process of how the coffee goes from raw bean and into your mouth. So suit up and let's get at her. This doesn't look like it, but this is where Canada's most popular coffee is created. I crept in and found the head roaster, the guy who they named the building after, Kevin West.
So Kevin, you taste everything that goes out of this place and make sure it's still the top quality?
Yeah, I have a team of 6 tasters. We're tasting Tim Hortons coffee all day long, up to 300 cups a day.
Wow.
All right, 300's my goal today. So I suited up like a coffee scientist and was ready to go.
Let's do this.
We followed Kevin down to the test kitchen and he showed us his beans.
Very good. Beans. We are making our own coffee blend today. Got Brazil, Guatemala, Indonesia, Nicaragua, and Colombia. They said the Brazil was a very nice, smooth taste, so I want to start with that as a base.
First, I would write down the blend.
Oh,
Grab a bag.
please, come in here. You're the expert.
What kind of coffee do you like? Do you like medium, dark roast?
I like a medium to dark. What do you like?
Actually, I'm a fan of medium roast.
Okay.
And also, I drink dark roast. I mean, I'm spoiled with coffee.
You drink coffee like it's your job.
I'm always on a coffee break.
Said you can do 100. I see. Love that Brazil flavoring. Get that shot. This is an honor to have a professional be doing this. You saw what I was doing. Would you have made that blend? Would that be something you'd be interested in tasting?
I am. Actually, I'm excited.
Okay, so they grinded the beans, poured water into it for my station, and then put it over there for the taste testing. For the actual pro to taste test my blend.
But first, I need to try my own blend to make sure it's not horrible.
It smells like coffee, which is good.
It smells like vodka this time.
Okay, here we go. It's a weird way to taste coffee.
I like it.
But I wanted to know what happened to these beans before they got to me today. So I snooped around the roasting facility and tried to schmooze Kevin, the head roaster, into telling me the heavily guarded secret recipe.
So you are one of the few people who know the secret, like Tim Hortons recipe.
Yeah, there's 3 of us in the company that know how to build the recipe. And as we define the recipe, it's the region, the beans, the type of beans that we buy, how we blend those beans together, and then ultimately how we develop our roast profiles. And that's really what makes up our signature taste.
Do you ever tweak it?
We've had the same recipe since 1964.
Wow. And you can't tell me what it is.
Now the moment of truth. Will my coffee blend make this man's tongue happy? Or will I be escorted out of the building? Here we go.
I think the Brazil is coming out.
Yes.
It's nutty and caramel.
I think I won.
You can drink that all day and be painting the walls at 2 a.m.
Like a dark chocolate.
Yeah.
You know, sitting on your palate.
That was cool. Get to bring my own blend home. If you want this one, you have to come to my house. Something has happened. They brought out food. Yes. This is officially a good time. I found Mr. Spencer Jenkins here.
Oh, hey,
on the tour. Classic tuxedo.
Classic Canadian tuxedo. Let's go, eh?
Amazing. So what do you think today? How was that?
Oh, that was fun.
That was.
Now I know everything about the Tim Hortons being in and out.
All right, well, it's great to meet you. See you around.
Let's get roasted.
I have a newfound respect for this. They are serious in there. Unfortunately, he wouldn't tell me the secret. That's okay. Oh, by the way, the coffee I had in there was probably one of the top coffees I've had in a while. Straight from the teat of Tim Hortons.
And by the way, I know you're saying, hey, where's Joseph been? Well, you can ask me live, in person, at my own comedy variety show on March 16th in Burlington, Ontario. I've been working at this for a while, doing stand-up comedy for the last year, and this show combines everything I love. Comedy, videos, magic, and food. I would love to see you there, and there will definitely be time to talk after the show. You can grab yourself a ticket from the link in the description. See you soon.